Today I'm going to show you how to make one of those vases with all the Halloween candy, just like everybody's doing, but I've got a few tips. And my first one is, well, first off, you want to have one container that will fit inside the other container with enough space around here to add your candies. Now, I'm going to do an artificial arrangement, so I put a little piece of dry floral foam inside here. But the big problem often is that you're putting the candy in and it goes in here. So take a coffee filter, or we don't have coffee filters here, so, or a napkin with a rubber band and put it around the top so that you don't get your candy in your middle vase. And then you can go ahead and put your smaller cylinder inside there. And now I am going to just start adding some candy corn around the bottom. You want to get this fairly level. I'm going to put this on here so I can turn it around easily to show you. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of these Peeps ghosts right around the edge. And I want them to be really snug together. I don't want a gap between the little ghosties. Not sure if I can get 3 more in there or not. Let's see. And I'm going to check them out. Almost seems like I could put one more in here. If you have trouble, you can use a knife, a spoon, anything to get everything down in there where you want. So I'm just going to use this knife to get this last little ghost in here. I don't want to cut any of him off. There we go. Our little ghosts are in there. And then the next thing I'm going to add are some pumpkins. But you can see how putting this napkin over the top of this will help keep your candies from falling down in your inside vase. And when I have this all the way filled up, I'm happy with how it is. I'm just going to pull off my rubber band and my paper napkin. And I didn't get any candy down in there. I picked up just a few black and orange picks with flowers at Michael's. I'm just going to cut these apart with wire cutters. And it's time to make our Halloween arrangement. And I've just done the same thing with these hydrangeas, the black hydrangeas and the black leaves. And I'm going to make this, you can do this out of real flowers. If you do it out of real flowers, remember when you have to pull this out to add water or refresh the flowers, all your candy's going to fall in. But by doing this with artificial, I can have this all month long come October. And I thought that black and orange were a great combination for to go along with the candy that we're using. And I got this fun pick of bats. I'm just going to add those right here. And now we're going to add our orange roses for contrast. cute Halloween vase is all ready to display. Now I want to add something else that I'm going to put right on my island here in the kitchen with this. And I have this little domed container, and I have some more Peeps ghosts. Just set the top of your dome in something else that will hold it. And then I'm just going to start putting my little Peeps ghosts in. And they're going to be, let me out, let me out. That's what they're going to be saying. I know it. I am going to fill the inside of it with candy corn and so then if there's any space between your little ghosts, it's okay because it's going to look like candy corn. We're going to take our bottom of our dome and we're simply going to turn it right side up. And there we have a whole little dome of little ghosts that are trying to get out, which pairs perfectly with our vase. So here you have two adorable Halloween candy themed projects to display in your kitchen or as a centerpiece on a table. I hope you like these. I will put some links below to the different things that I used. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments and make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time with some more Halloween ideas.